Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time I will live solve the May weekend battle from the junior varsity level. And yeah, without further ado, my lambda collection is ready. I need to think of copy the case because I need it for another solve, but yeah, then we can start. I hope my connection is fast enough. It's super slow. The kilobyte range. So German internet is bad, that you know it. So open the case. Okay, it's basically the same as with the adult case. So this is a basic sum, level 1. This is a concat. I do not think that it will delete leading zeros. Yeah, and with 1, and with 1, and with level 2 solved. Nibble into numeric. What? So minus minus concat. And with 1, so 0. Okay. Determine which channel the given. Okay. Let's table this. Control T. Table has headers. Inster. And here I use create from selection. Got it. Okay. Status nibble. Determine which channel given messages are addressed to by converting the binary into decimal. So basically it's bin to des. Okay. Treating each. Okay. Okay. So it's some text split. This, and I think it should work. No, minus minus to make it a number. Okay, yeah. Now, which is two is Traba. Okay, so it's basically text between, so text before, text after the first delimiter. So basically this message here in between. So, and then des to bin, no bin to des. $60. Could this be? No. First, the second nibble. Reading. So it's basically text before here, and then before this delimiter here, and from there on the second half. So write 4 characters, bin to this, and then look up based on this. in instr channel, returning instr instrument. Oh, yes. Acoustic grand piano, organ, Schwarber, acoustic grand piano. Okay, should be fine. Level 7. First, okay, we also working with the keys. So, which instruments are given? Called a MIDI part 2. To the note. Okay. So, let B BB. N is text after the second delimiter, and there oh no, not it's text after the first. Yes, I know. And there it is. What the? 9 to 16. Yeah, okay, for sure. So it's there. It's a text between. So text before, text after this. And then bin to this, which is a number 56, which is a note. Yes. And then xlookup this in key, returning note. If b equals 10, then xlookup n in instr note, returning instr instrument. Otherwise, xlookup b in instr channel, returning instr instrument. Kick drum, red cymbal, hi-hats, macros. Okay, let's go to the bonus questions. 8 minutes. Okay, how many ones are in level 1 message? How many ones are there in some? How many levels 2 answers have a 1 in the 1000 of precision? If then it's always length 4, so left 1 and then minus minus, and then we can sum this. 11. How many nodes are between C2 and F4? C2. $28. Yeah. Okay. C2. Yes. F4 hashtag. Oh. 29. Using the level 4 answers, how many values are odd? Is odd minus minus 10 odd. How many nodes are sharps? Okay, how many have a hashtag? All are length 3. So len of this equals 3 minus minus 41 are sharp. Okay. Let's upload it. And then do the Varsity level. I don't think that we'll get their immediate answers, but yeah, this is not that important. I hope the upload will be fast. Okay, submission successfully. Quite easy, especially the bonus questions there. Yeah, not so great. The rest is okay-ish. Sometimes it's more complicated than than with the original case. For example, here I would prefer to use MECC instead of something like this splitting stuff. But anyways, thank you for your attention. I hope to see you also for the Varsity level walkthrough. Bye.